In this short tutorial, you will learn how to remove the Edge panel on your Samsung device. The Edge panel is a feature that gives quick access to apps. Some people find it helpful, while others may want to turn it off. If you are one of those who prefer a cleaner screen, follow these simple steps. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down until you see an option called Display. Tap on it. Then scroll down again until you see an option called Edge Panels. To remove the Edge panel on your Samsung device, simply toggle off this switch. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.